What is good, guys? It's your boy, this dude, and today we got a very different video. I just got done watching a video over on my boy Adam Wickens' channel, Wickens Wicked Reptiles. Top 5 dumbest reptile rules you won't believe. And it got me thinking, because I know when laws and regulations and rules are made, it's usually because somebody did something. So we're gonna be going in my backyard to try to understand what's really going on. We're not gonna be looking at laws or nothing like that. I ain't that smart. We're just gonna be looking at some cases in my backyard and seeing what's wrong with Florida. Let's go. And we're gonna start with a case that everybody knows. Florida man. You see where this is going, right? Florida man threw a live alligator through the Wendy's drive-through window. How do you even charge this dude? Now, I know what they charged him with. When I think about it, I'm like, how do you charge this dude, man? But they charged him with assault with a deadly weapon, which I don't think is accurate at all, because then that would mean that the animal is a deadly weapon. Then you can say that just animals are deadly weapons. Man, bro, these dudes playing. Imagine, right, somebody robs you. They like reach for the sky and they pull a nigga. This dude got a cobra just standing up at the end. Bro, you tripping? What? I'm running my pockets instant. I ain't playing. Then we move to another case. Cop claims the Burger King put dirt on his food. Right now we see normal civilians throwing alligators. Now we got the cops involved. Cops said the Burger King put dirt on his food. Led to this huge investigation. When everything was said and done, they found out that they just seasoned this dude's food like they were supposed to. Yeah, so now we see the civilians are not only absolutely insane, but we see that the cops, look at this, we're 2 cases in and we're already starting to make some ground, right? The cops aren't even safe out here, that's crazy. They launched a whole investigation to find out that they seasoned this dude's food. Stupid. In another case, Florida man, see what's going on? Called 911 because his cat, in fact, was denied access to the strip club. I don't like that rule. The cat should be allowed in the strip club. Why don't they let cats in strip clubs? And couldn't he just say that's like his emotional distress animal or something? I don't know. Anyway, the dude called 911 because they wouldn't let his cat in the strip club. I would have called somebody too, because that's discrimination. I'm not cool with that at all. In fact, we gonna do some more research on that. I might have to do a bad review or something. I'm not cool with that. On July 12th of 2022, deputies tasered the man trying to flee them on a lawnmower, riding lawnmower. They didn't have to tase him. They literally could have just grabbed him and thrown him on the. Them things don't go but like 4 miles per hour. And I could see these dudes in there arguing their case too. Your Honor, he had the blades on high. They were spinning in our direction. We both had to tase. We all had to tase him at the same time until he caught on fire. I could see these dudes trying to argue the fact that they had to tase this man on a riding lawnmower that goes 40. Yeah, right, bro. Whatever. He might have deserved it. Who knows? This is Florida. Everybody's crazy. On May 13th of 2022, Florida man pleads guilty to stealing about 1,600 checks from the churches in the area. He gonna have his day. Oh, he gonna have his day, believe you me. He was stealing checks from God. He's bold. He's going to hell first class. First class. He gonna go down there and get promoted first day, watch. And he'll be like, hold on. It says here, you were stealing checks from God? How the hell? You know what? I know somebody that might want to talk to you. Walk this way. Walk this way. On the other hand, though, I'm not even really mad at the dude, because they've been getting over on us for a long time. You ever been in there? You ever been to church? My old pastor sent that collection plate around 6 times. 7 times. I'm like, bro, what are you doing? It's like, last time was for Sister Maybell. This time is to keep the lights on. No, I don't want to hear none of that. I'm over here broke as hell. At this point, I'm about to go work with the devil. They got 401ks and dental plans. I'll deal with the afterlife. Afterlife. In another case, we got Florida man sentenced to 3 years in prison for illegally shipping turtles and snakes. Now, I know y'all see the comments on the channel. There's always somebody asking, hey, are you selling? Hey, are you selling? Of course I am, but not without my permit. And they've been dragging their feet passing my permits. And we already see what they're gonna do to you if you're selling without a permit. They're not about to put me in jail trying to make $1. I'm okay. We're doing fine over here, but yeah, they're putting people in jail for illegally selling animals. I'm good. In another, it's not even a case, but I think this is gonna help wrap this up and kind of put things in perspective for us. Florida man that was accused of fighting, let me read this. No, he wasn't accused. He was arrested for fighting a drag queen with a tiki torch. He ran for mayor. Yeah, and I swear to God, I hope he got it. But this kind of puts things in perspective. We got normal people, the civilians out here who are just insane. Then we got the cops who are paranoid as ever. And then now, we've got politicians. This is why nothing makes sense. Everybody, not only are the people on the base level just crazy, but all of the people in power are insane. What is going on out? He wasn't accused. He was arrested for fighting with the tiki. Our mayor's a whole ninja. In another case, we have a Florida man that was off by an alligator running from the cops. I heard about this when it happened. I laughed. It kind of sucks. It really sucks. He didn't have anywhere to go. You go this way, you get arrested. He didn't know, right? But in a lot of cases, in a lot of places, there are borders between where humans and animals live. It's not like that in Florida. There are a lot of people who can go open their back doors right now and see alligators. They live that close to us. The animals out here don't care. This dude decided he was gonna rob somebody's house, wanted to break off. Cops is coming. Took off this way, jumped in the water, and there was something waiting for him in that water. It's crazy because like that is entirely possible anywhere out here in Florida. It just sucks that he had just broke the law, and then that sucks for him, bro. We had a Florida man get arrested over an I eat ASS sticker. You can't arrest people for that. People doing that every day. You can't arrest anybody for that. And he wasn't even doing it. He just said he did it. The charges got dropped because he is protected by some amendments, apparently. That makes sense. That's what I was thinking. The charges got dropped because that's like freedom of speech, bro. I could say what I could. You can't incite violence and stuff like that, but you can practically say what you want. In another case, Florida man. So why are we just called Florida men now? That's crazy. Florida man arrested for trying to get an alligator drunk. It's crazy because he ended up getting bit by that alligator, and both him and his friend got arrested. Whenever you see a dumb rule like, oh, you can't get your alligator drunk, that like I said, this is why, because things happen. People do stupid stuff. In July of 2020, Florida man fights off alligator that grabbed his dog. He did this with his bare hands. I've seen a couple cases. I've seen one dude hit the alligator with a frying pan. He wasn't playing, right? And this is common out here in Florida. Like I said, there are almost no borders between us and wildlife. You open your door, a lot of the times they're right there. But I seen this one. This dude got down there with his bare hands and grabbed them and was throwing hooks and uppercuts and straights and jabs, and he bobbing and weaving. He ended up getting his dog back. Minor injury, but the dog is alive and happy and healthy. See, Florida men they're always crazy. But you see, sometimes they do good too. And in our last case, we have a Florida man that got busted for feeding iguanas to the alligators in the jail zoo. I know that's a lot. He was feeding iguanas. How'd they get a whole zoo? I couldn't even get a pack of cigarettes in there. These dudes got a whole zoo. Where is this? You know what, y'all? Video's over. I'm going to the jail zoo.